Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's power it up and see how it flies, or if it flies or not. It flies! My 3D printed crazy concept is flying and it's on GPS position hold. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. So, I 3D printed this. Check this out. I have always wanted to have a new concept on a quadcopter where it just itself keeps cruising without having to have elevator or pitch pushed forward. Somehow the crazy angles on all the motors will provide not only just auto cruise but some efficiency as well. Now I'm not sure how efficient is this going to be, and question of course, and the big question of course, will it fly? Well, we're gonna find out right away answer to all these questions. Let's power it up and see how it flies, or if it flies or not. Alright, here goes nothing. Quadcopter is here. Let's see if it will fly or not, and if it flies, how well it does. So everything looks good so far, and we are in manual mode, so I'm gonna switch it to GPS position hold mode. Let's see how it will hold the GPS position. Maybe I just keep it in the altitude hold mode for now, just to see how things go. Here we go. It flies! And it just keeps going. It never stops. Whoa, one moment. Okay, GPS position hold mode. Let's see if NASA can handle this strange thing. It's going in toilet bowl movements. I'm gonna turn down the gains. I put the remote gains. That's what I love about NASA. So it's holding its position very well at the moment. Let's see if it holds here. I did a compass calibration, but still it's a little bit of toilet bowl movement. Nonetheless, it's doing very well. Yes, it flies! It flies! Awesome! Let me take a picture. It flies! My 3D printed crazy concept is flying and it's on GPS position hold. Let's fly it around and see how it goes and if we can explode it in the air or not. Expect a crash. You know, all the new inventions, they do go down to the ground because of the gravity. Man, what a solid GPS lock. What a solid GPS lock. Alright. So, if I disengage the GPS, it should start moving forward itself. See? In attitude mode, I'm not doing anything, see? It's just going itself. I'm not even touching the pitch. Check it out. I'm not even touching the pitch. And it has picked up a very good cruise speed. How awesome. Uh-oh. Yes, on a very abrupt yaw, it does something strange. But it's cruising without touching the pitch controls. How sweet. So I will take good care on the yaw, because design has to be improved, you know. Without touching the sticks, it's just cruising that nice forward flight. I'm not gonna go crazy on this because it's a fragile PLA 3D printed quadcopter. I forgot to run the timer. I should see how long I can fly on a 1500 milliamp 4S. That's not good. But hey, this is the first flight and I still don't have any low battery warning. Let me land and put a low voltage beeper, okay? And I will see from the video that how long it took off. Okay, one moment. We can always get the flight time from the video. Alright, I added the low voltage beeper, and after flying, I don't know, I'll check from the video, after flying this long, I have 14.9 volts. So let me take off and see if the low voltage beeper will beep or not, and then we'll change the battery and give it a flight again. It starts raining. Damn it. GPS hold. Yeah, it's beeping. Alright, so I'm gonna land.